Hey guys, today we want to show you the difference between your standard tube rifle scopes and your scopes that have the Reticle Illuminator on the top of it. So some of these with the Reticle Illuminator on the top just are not going to work. For instance, this one here got the housing of the battery and buttons, it all comes straight back, so you can see there's no way that the Skoped Vision is going to go on there. This one, for instance, it is set a little further forward, so just as the Leopold spotting scopes that taper off, you will have to adjust your ratchet housing back closer to the glass housing of the Skoped Vision, and you can see this will fit on there just enough with this illuminator knob on the top of this scope. Now if you do have to leave a small gap between the glass housing and the back of the rifle scope, there's not a problem with that. So you can see the difference there. That has the knob. This still goes on, ratchets down nicely, and you can still use it just as you would any other. So that's the big difference. Some of them are going to work, some of them just are not going to work. That's just the way it is. Any way around it, we'll work on something that may work someday, but as for now, that's just the way it's got to be. So